Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's Boy Rush back at it again. Today's video, I wanted to say something before we get started. I am actually in shock by how much feedback I got on yesterday's video. So shout out to everyone that commented. I went through all the comments. There's a lot of them. I think like over 796 when I looked this morning. Insane. So yesterday's discussion was about selling the Challenger, and honestly I did not think that many people wanted this car to stay on the channel, but since there is a huge support for the SRT 392, it made things really difficult. You know, now I'm really kind of torn whether I should keep the car and get rid of the Boss, or should get rid of the car and replace it with something else that's also in a Mopar family. So today that's what we're gonna go take a look at. We're taking a look at another car that I think would be a really good replacement for the SRT, just for the fact that it's a better daily, it can tow, and it's a badass ride. So it's something that I've wanted for a while, and it might be a really good addition. It's at a local dealership here, so we're gonna go ahead and head over there and see what we can do, and hopefully get your guys' opinion on it. I think it's a very good candidate for taking the place of Side Boo. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, so we're pulling up to the dealership that has the car. I think here's the car that we're here to check out. Let me show it to you guys. Oh shit, this is it, boys. This is it. So man, this thing is badass. What is it?
That's tight, that's super nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, all wheel drive, you definitely love the car.
So this is the car that might be replacing Side Boo. And sorry? Yes, please. Got my license? Yeah, let's give you that.
Rush? Okay.
Yeah, RUSH.
What's your
phone number?
Yeah.
949.
All right. Give me the phone number right now.
Cool. All right, guys. So this is the car I'm here to check out. It's a certified 2017 Jeep SRT, and it's got the right interior and everything. Damn, you sit so much higher up in this than you do in Side Boo. It's pretty clean on the inside. I've never really driven one of these. I've been in one before, but never driven it. But we got the, let's see here, the shade. So, get a lot of light, which is good if you're making YouTube videos, because you can pretty much have a lot of natural light. This goes all the way back. A lot of trunk space. Got look like carbon fiber trim on it. Pretty badass ride. You got some outlets back here, some USB ports. I think the seat should recline a little bit. Yep, it does. And what I like the most is the trunk space. The trunk space is amazing. So there's Side Boo. Man, this would make a really good replacement. Got the electric gates in the back. So nice and spacious. You got the curtain right here. I dig it, man. I dig it. This is pretty sick. And then you just press this button right here. Have that close. Now I wonder if there's a tow hitch underneath there. I hope there is. Definitely do an exhaust on this if I got it. Make it sound badass. I can't tell if there's a tow hitch, but I'll have them check on it right now for me, because it's very important that this car can tow. So let's go ahead and check under the hood. Just right here. Man, I love that front end. That front end is so aggressive. So let's take a look and see. There it is, the 6.4 baby. That looks disgusting. I don't know why it's that dirty, but the rest of the car looks pretty clean. There's a lot of room too, so get some work done on this thing. But I really dig it. It's a clean car. Very clean. There's some, I don't know what that is, but the rest of the car looks pretty good. Has 25,000 miles. It's certified. I don't know what kind of warranty they put on the certified cars. Let's take a look and see. Hey, quick question. What's the warranty on the certified cars?
Both
powertrain, it goes to 7 years, 100,000 miles.
Okay. For
From the
powertrain.
date that it was sold, and minus what's on it, of course, and minus the years.
Okay.
And then the bumper to bumper part of it is factory 3 years, 36. We add another 3,000, another 3 months on top of that.
Okay, for the bumper to bumper.
Yeah. And
okay.
everything I think is $100 deductible or something.
Oh, there's a deductible on it?
Yeah, definitely.
Gotcha. Okay, cool.
Okay, you go for the drive now. Take it easy. And do you have full and cover insurance?
Yeah, I do.
I can go with you. Do you have it
really?
with you?
Yeah, I have it on my phone. I have it on my policy.
That's okay. Just
take it easy.
Just take it.
It's okay. I'm used to them. Yeah.
Right.
So I guess part of the COVID rules is you cannot go on a test drive anymore with the person. So actually just gave me the keys and told me to go do a test drive by myself. So this is gonna be fun. Let me open that up because that's how I'd probably have it open if I had the car. I'm taking a little bit of a spin here. First time being in the Jeep SRT, especially being behind the wheel one. So this is kind of exciting. This thing drives pretty nice already. I guess it's obviously a lot higher than my Challenger, but you can feel the all-wheel drive just from the get up and go of it. So there are different track modes and stuff. Yes, there is. So we'll put it into sport here and see how she does. It's so quiet compared to my car. Oh yeah, the brakes are like brand new. A 0 to 60 best of 4.6, so somebody was definitely driving quick. Open up the vents a little more. This has all the vented seats and stuff too. Oh my God, off a line, this thing is so sick. That's pretty awesome. I mean, it feels really nice, not gonna lie. I love being higher up. That's, I think, the biggest thing is just like for a daily driver, just sitting higher up and being able to see everything around you is amazing. You know, because it just makes you more comfortable. You can see everything in front and kind of behind rather than being like a lower car. So that's a really cool part of having an SUV versus, and this has the adaptive cruise control too, so I won't miss that feature either. You got the launch here, the SRT mode, so you click that. It puts you into your modes. We'll try out track here, a little more aggressive mode. Traction control is off, but I mean with all-wheel drive, shouldn't really be much of an issue, right? So we're gonna find a nice little area here where we can kind of get on it and see how she does. And then the roof is like an Alcantara or like a suede finish to it. So it's a very nice feel. I mean, the car is really clean considering it has 25,000 miles. It's 2017, 25,000 miles. It's very clean. And I love the little, you know, the leather stitching on the dash with the suede kind of headliner here. It's got a nice banging sound system, I bet. They put really good sound systems in these cars. I don't want to get copyrighted, so we'll turn that off. But we're gonna give it a nice little rip right now and see how she does. Even have an eco mode. So that's the lane guidance there to make sure that you stay in your lane. Yo, this, I don't know, I can really picture myself in this one, guys. I know there's a lot of people that are not gonna be a fan of me getting a Jeep, but this thing is fucking badass. And then what I like about it is like it's a sleeper. Like a lot of people won't even know that this thing can kind of boogie and get down, right? So you really could be driving it and it could be a complete sleeper. So I'm really gonna punch it right here. So let's downshift. Oh man, the ZF8 always doing work. Do a little 20 roll, 40 roll. This thing moves. I mean, it's no SRT, obviously it's a lot heavier, but it's not bad for being, you know, a truck. It's very refined though, like the power, it's, I don't know, maybe because it's not as loud and stuff, but the ride is so smooth. I literally feel like I'm floating. Oh my God. This thing is fun. I can't believe a big SUV of this size pulls that nice. This is so much fun. I'm getting cooked over here though. I haven't had a sunroof in one of my cars in a minute, so let's turn that off. Or close it up. I don't know, guys, what do you think? What do you think? Can you guys picture me in this? I mean, it's great because like there's actually usable room in the back seats and in the trunk where you can throw wheels, tires. If it has a tow package, it'll make it really good because then we can, you know, tow with it. I know the tow capacity with these is 7,200 pounds, so it's not a bad towing capacity. I know it's no truck, but at least it's still like a badass daily where it's, you know, it's not a big heavy truck, you know, and it still looks really good. I mean, I think these things look super sick because you really can't even tell them apart from the Trackhawk. So it's like one of those things where it's just a little sleeper Jeep you get to whip around in, and when you open it up and it's a lot of fun. So I don't know, I'm kind of digging it. I can totally picture myself in one, especially for a daily. I think you cannot do better, like daily wise. Dude, this thing freaking moves. Literally doing 0 to 60 in 6 seconds without even trying. That's insane. Look at that turning radius. Oh, baby. Oh my God. I can't believe this is stock. I mean, it's stock, and I've never been in a Jeep that goes that quick. I can only imagine a Trackhawk probably pulls so much harder, but this thing is fucking sick. I don't know, I'm fangirling over this Jeep, guys, because it's literally, it has a 6.4, which is pretty much a Mopar at heart. It has the same transmission, but it's got everything else that I need, which is a towing, and it's got the space for a daily. So it's very well-rounded in that regard. And I can totally drive this every day. I can take the homies out with it. I can go on road trips. I mean, this is a car that is pretty much capable of doing all that. So I'm not really sacrificing anything by getting it. So I don't know, I really need your help on this one. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a good, worthy enough change from side boo? So I gotta get back to the dealership now before I get in trouble. All right guys, putting the Jeep back. We just finished our test drive, and it's a pretty sick car. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about some numbers right now and see what they give me for side boo and all that good stuff real quick. And yeah, we'll kind of figure it out from there. So I'm looking at a newer one. It has like a newer entertainment system, but this is $83,000. It's the window sticker, 83. It's got the trailer, it's got everything. Signature leather package, high performance audio, blah blah. The base price is 68 and it jumps up to 83. So quite a bit of savings between the two cars, going from 83 to the one outside is certified and everything at 54. But I like the black, but I would never get a black daily again. That was a nightmare. I've done it before. I like the white more. Okay guys, so that went pretty good. I went ahead and kind of checked out the Jeep and everything. We looked at the numbers. The dealership was really fair in what they offered for side boo. A little lower, but that's okay. Kind of expected from dealerships. They're never really going to pay a premium for your car. So I still think I can do a little better, you know, private party. But it was good to have an idea of where the dealership's at, so that when I'm private party shop or selling the car, I can kind of know where I'm at. With regards to the Jeep itself, though, the asking price was $55,000. We brought it down to 53 just by kind of chilling there. I didn't really put any pressure on them, and the reason is I'm not really looking to make the purchase today. I wanted to kind of make sure that you guys were on board with everything before I made the, you know, the jump to a new car. So I was really kind of just feeling out the dealership, seeing if they'll negotiate, and they're willing to make a deal, especially right now. I'm guessing with everything going on, the dealership's going to be a little flexible, trying to move some of these cars that are, you know, a little more expensive off their lots. So, you know, things were pretty smooth. Ultimately, I just wanted to really kind of feel out the car, and I really like the way the SRT drives. The Jeep SRT is a really nice car, and the fact that it can tow and everything. I know it's not ideal for towing, but I still think it's good enough for what I'm doing, because I'm not going to be towing every single day. I mean, there's going to be kind of instances where I'm going to be able to tow with it, and at least I'll have that option, that luxury of being able to, you know, hook up a trailer to it and take the cars out. So so far, I'm liking it. I know there's gonna be a ton of comments. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, like get a Trackhawk, get a Trackhawk. Yeah, Trackhawks are $94,000. I've looked. The cheapest one I've found is $67,000. And that's still pretty dang steep. I mean, that's an expensive car. So I don't know if I want to commit that much money. I mean, I love what I do and I love YouTube videos and all that, but I don't like to stress myself out or stretch myself out thin for the sake of content, you know. At the end of the day, I feel like I perform the best when I'm making content that I'm comfortable making. And when you have a ton of payments due on you and you're like majorly in debt trying to make these videos, then you start making videos just for the sake of making videos because you need the money. And I don't want to get to that point. I don't want to make videos because I have to make videos. I want to make videos because I want to make videos, and there's that difference. So, you know, right now I'm at a comfortable place where I can afford all my cars. You know, two of my cars are paid off. I still have a small amount left on one of them, and it's really not something that I'm stressing about. You know, it's something that I got a really good interest rate. I'm kind of chilling with it, you know. So for that reason, you know, I don't want to put myself in a bunch of debt right now just to get a new car for the channel, and then, you know, end up not liking it. So that's where the thought process is. I just want to kind of be straight up and honest with you guys. Don't want to, you know, make a bad financial decision for the sake of content. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. A little bit of an update. Hopefully soon we'll have like a really good idea, but I really need you guys to go ahead and comment down below what you think of that car. What do you think of me trading side boo for a Jeep SRT? I know some people are going to be on board, some people are not, but let me know. Let's start a discussion down in the comments below. Looking forward to seeing what you guys have to say. We got a ton of comments yesterday, so I'm hoping the same people can chime in and kind of give me their opinion. Side boo is still chugging away and doing her thing, man. So I just needed to hear back from you guys. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's little update. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I do post. It's your boy Rush, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.